welcome back to Nida's channel. I'm going to share my a glowy summer, simple, natural, glowy kind of makeup. I'm not sure what's going on under my eye right now. I think I rubbed it too hard. I did not get punched, but I think I rubbed it too hard when I was doing my skincare or something. Just for reference, this is going to be like a very natural makeup routine. I'm not using any foundation. I'm not using any concealer. I usually start with, if you guys heard of Wonder Skin, so I used to use like lip liner all the time. Like I was obsessed with it, and I would overline my lips and all of that crap. But this stuff has literally saved my life. Like, it, not to be dramatic, but it has honestly saved my life, because you apply it, and I'm going to show you the color. So it's like a bright blue color. It's crazy. Also, do not mind my nails. They're a bit cranky right now because of work. So yeah, regardless, so I get this, and what I do is outline my lips, and this stays on my lips the whole day. I just apply like a clear lip gloss on top throughout the day, and that's it. I don't have to reapply this. I don't have to reapply a lip liner, and it's just honestly saves so much time, because when I used to wear lip liners, I'd always be like reapplying them, because I was just like constantly eating or drinking, or even through talking, and I just like lick my lips and stuff. So yes, and I tried so many lip liners that just so yeah, this has literally saved my life. It's been my go-to product. Like, it's one of my favorite products at the moment, and this is in the shade, damn, can't see, Adore, in the shade Adore. So it's like a very light pinkish color, basically like my lip color, just a bit better, not better, just a little bit darker, so you know, when you line it, it stands out. So a lot of people just like kind of swipe it on. I like to basically outline my lips and basically use it as a lip liner and just kind of fade it in, not do it fully, because it kind of keeps that like natural look to your lips, which I like. So just watch this. So yeah, I literally just line where my natural lip line is, and I look kind of hilarious. I look like I've got a moustache right now. So the only part I kind of overline is my bottom one, because you can't obviously see it. So I kind of just go underneath. So as you can see, I've just outlined my natural lip line, and then you've got to be kind of careful, because when this stuff dries down, it's so hard to get off. And obviously with the blue stuff as well, don't get it on your clothes. So then I'll just kind of fade it in into the edges as well. So yeah, I do this first, so that it kind of like dries down. I'm actually gonna fit it in, just so you guys can see the full kind of like effect. So the next step that I usually do is I've been using this e.l.f. Luminous Putty Blush in the shade Maui, and it's actually quite nice. So I do like to apply it with my finger, because I just feel like I have more control of it. I did get the little like stippling brush, but it's really hard, and I don't like the way it feels on my skin, so we're through with that. But I've got that blue stuff all over my hands. I know I usually do, but for some reason. So to be honest with you, you don't even have to leave it on for too long. Like 20 seconds is enough, to be honest, even less than that. But you can feel it because it like dries down. But I just like to let it like marinate for a good few minutes, and then I'll take it off. So with this, I just, with the, I don't know if you can see, whatever's going on in my eye, I'm not too sure, but we're gonna go on top of it, and I kind of just pat it in. And it's really easy to work with, because it just kind of like melts into your skin, and it does have a slight shimmer on it. So if you like that, it will give you like a nice little luminous glow, as you can see. And I like to go quite under my eyes to give like that sunburnt effect, because I really like that. Especially since that time I got really burnt by the sun. It looked so cute after, but the process of it was not cute, let me tell you that. And then I'll go onto my other cheek. And then, yeah. Because the warmth from your fingers really melts this into your skin, I feel like. And you just have more control of it. Because with like a brush, sorry, I'm not even showing. With like a brush, I feel like it depends what kind of finish you want, I guess. If you want more of like a natural glowy finish, then it's best to do it with your fingers, I feel like. And I'm just one of those people that loves to apply makeup with my hands. I just feel like I have a lot more control, and it just kind of like melts into your skin effortlessly. So yeah, I think that's enough tapping for today. And like, as you saw, I went over my nose like this, because obviously like naturally where the sun hits, those are the places, and I kind of just want to look like I've been kissed by the sun, basically. I've lost the lid. Where is it? Here. Right, so I'm going to take my, because my lips are really dry at the moment and it looks ridiculous, so I literally just wet, I just get some water on a cotton round and cotton pad, whatever you call it, and just wet it really well, and then just literally wipe it off. Whoever created this stuff is a genius. For me, it just saves so much time having to like reapply my lip liner, and it's just like so long, and I can't be bothered with that. Like, I'm one of those people that likes efficiency, so I will buy stuff that saves me time. And yeah, I'll have to put more effort in applying it, but at least it'll last the whole day. And as you probably saw, I was wiping that very hard, and it's obviously gotten the blue off, but look at the natural, like it's just so natural, you can barely tell, but it's there, you know. And then I get my Refi clear lip gloss and just apply that on top, and I'll just reapply my lip gloss throughout the day, because everybody knows that's my favorite thing to do. You'll never catch me without a mirror and a lip gloss, let me tell you that right now. If you don't see me reapplying my lip gloss every half an hour, you know there's something wrong. And I really love this lip gloss. It's so like velvety soft. It just feels really nice on the lips. So yeah, and sometimes I will just stop with my makeup there and leave it at that. It just depends what kind of like finish I want, what I'm doing, if I want to be more spruced up. But this is like my natural everyday no makeup kind of look. But to go a step further, I will use a powder blush as well, just to kind of set that one on place, and then just for it to last longer. This is the MAC one, in the shade Gentle. It's very, I was actually kind of disappointed in this because it dried up so quickly. Like, I've only used it a few times, and the color as well isn't like what I expected. I did expect it to be a bit more gentle, like the way that it's called, because I wanted like a gentle, nice little pink blushy color, but this is quite dark. But anyways, we're just gonna go with it because that's what I've got, and I don't want to waste it. So yeah, I just get a brush like this. I don't know where it's from. I don't know where I got it. It's just a really nice like angled blush brush, I guess. I usually tap off the excess so it's not too overpowering, because I can go overboard with my blush sometimes and I look like ridiculous. But would they call it blush blindness? I think I have that sometimes. So yeah, and then I just take that really lightly and just dab it exactly in the same places where I obviously applied my cream blush. Like right now, you see there's just too much blush. I just put a bit too much on, but we're gonna go with it. So I just keep like diffusing it. And I do it under my eyes as well, like I said before. And then, oh god, I did apply a bit too much. Oh well, we'll just go with it. And then I'll take it up to my forehead as well, just so it kind of all blends in seamlessly, so I don't just have like a pink cheek. Oh guys, that was a bit crazy. But anyway, I don't know, on camera it looks crazy, on real life it doesn't. I will also apply this to my eyelids just to blend it into everything, so it actually looks like I have been in the sun, you know. And then I will go over my nose, just on the bridge, and then in between my brows. And yeah. And now I look sun-kissed. See what I mean? I feel like it looks crazy on camera, but it's this thing. It's making it look crazier than it is. I don't know. I don't know what's going on there. But yeah, I like to apply like a pink blush because I feel like it just makes my eyes pop as well. Like, it just helps with everything. So after that, I'll brush my eyebrows. So what I've been doing is I've been letting my eyebrows grow out because I have this habit of over plucking them, and then I just have to keep plucking them and plucking them and plucking them. So I'm just letting them grow, and they look really good at the moment, and I'm really happy with them. So yeah, I'm not gonna touch them. I'm not gonna touch them. I'm just gonna trim them every now and again because they do go crazy. And I've also, guys, I've been using castor oil on my eyelashes and on my eyebrows before I go to bed. I'm not even joking. My eyelashes have grown so much. Obviously you can't see it because I've got straight as hell eyelashes. I've honestly seen the difference, and I apply it every single night, and it's definitely picking up my eyebrows, and eyelashes just started growing in places that I never really had eyelashes growing through, like literally right on the top of my lid that I had to pluck it out. Like, that's what I mean. Because I was looking for like eyelash growing serums, and the prices of some of them, I was like, oh my god. So I was like, let me find like something that's affordable and I know will actually work, because castor oil is known to grow hair very well. So yeah, that's a little tip for you guys. And then I will get onto my eyelashes. That will be my last step. So a eyelash curler is a must for me because, as you can see, my eyelashes are pinned straight. But I sometimes like that look. Like, I kind of like this look right now, but to show you my full, like when I go full makeup for me personally, then doing mascara is part of it. So yeah, with eyelash curler, I don't know what this one is. It's just an eyelash curler. It fits my eye really well, and that's the most important thing. Not think. So yeah, I literally just try to get as close to the base of my eyelashes as possible, and then just like bump it. Bump it, bump it. See, look at the difference. Look at the difference that makes. But yeah, I've been using an eyelash curler for years, and obviously over those years it has definitely broken my eyelashes, my eyelash hairs, and made a lot of them fall out. And yeah, so I had to find something that, a way to like obviously regrow them, and because I'm all about kind of like doing things the natural way, and if I can find a natural alternative to things, then I will do that. But as you can see, it makes a vast difference. Like, it just opens up my eyes. I've been loving this mascara. It's the Refine mascara. I actually do really like their makeup. I haven't tried that. I've tried only their lip glosses and this mascara. I might give their, do they have a cream blush? Because I feel like they do. I really want to try that. But this is like an interesting one, and I love curved ones. First start like on the tips, and then I gently kind of stroke it through and just go over it a couple of times, and it just spreads the eyelashes out so well. Like, look at that. It's really natural, but it keeps that curl, and it just opens your eyes. And it's not like those heavy mascaras that get all clumpy and all of that. None of that clumpiness here, thank you. It's just gorgeous. Honestly, one of my favorite mascaras. The only thing is, I will say it does smudge a little bit, especially like when the tops of your eyelashes touch like the top of your, like this bit here. Like, it will sometimes transfer on the top here, or just a little bit underneath, because I never wear a mascara on my bottom lashes because I don't like it, and it smudges, and I just can't be bothered to deal with that. So I just leave it on top, and I'll go like in a few times just to kind of shape it further, and just to add a bit more volume, because I do like volume that is separated, if you know what I mean. Like, I want my eyelashes to be well separated, but I want them to have that volume and length. which this mascara does for me, and I'm honestly really obsessed with it. It kind of reminds me of the Roller Lash by Benefit, but I haven't actually used that mascara in so long I don't really remember it, but I feel like this is the similar effect that it gave me, but this is like a more natural version of it. So yeah, see, I just look like I'm awake, I'm ready to take on the day, and I can flutter my eyelashes at people. That is my full natural, not full, my completed natural glowy makeup look that is easy for every day. Like this can take like 10 minutes. It takes me 20 minutes because I'm very slow when I do things, and I just like to take my time and chill, sip on some disgusting smoothie. Like look at that, that's separated. That's dates on the bottom. I don't even know what's going on right now. Why is it like that? I don't want to drink that now. And it tasted really good, but I need to mix it again, I think, because I need that glowing skin. And and yeah, like this is the look. See, it's time for more lip gloss. Also, excuse the fact that my uploads have been a bit like sporadic at the moment. It's just that my little brother's off school and I've been spending a lot of time with him on my days off, and yeah, it's not an excuse, but I don't want to put content out there that I'm not happy with, that I don't feel like where I'm authentically being me, or you know, sharing the stuff that I feel like is somewhat good for others. I don't know. I mean, this is just a makeup tutorial. It's not anything serious. Like I said, I don't want to be sharing content that I'm not happy with, and I'd rather wait a month for something good than have content that I'm not necessarily proud of, or I wouldn't like say look back on in 10 years and be like, oh, like, you know, because that's a lot of it is to do from, you know, is for me as well, to like look back on myself in like 10 years and see where I was and the type of person that I was, and I just want to be as true as I can to myself, and hopefully that comes across to you guys as well. But yeah, still navigating this thing called life, but it's all fun and games, and yeah, this was fun and games as well, so I enjoyed it, and it's been like half an hour because I yap. But yeah, thank you guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you like any of my other videos, then subscribe to my channel for more. I'm gonna be back soon on my food stuff and like my workouts and all of that. Just haven't really had the opportunity to film them at the moment. But yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you very soon. Bye.